Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome on board, cousin. On this channel we talk about everything money. We talk about passive income ideas, business ideas, work from home ideas, and online jobs that are hiring now, and a lot more. So if this is the content you're looking for, then please consider subscribing to this channel because it's a small community and we're not going to grow without your support. Also consider giving me a thumbs up because it's free and it also serves as a motivation to me. And in today's upload, I'm going to share with you some websites that you can visit if you're looking to making some money online tutoring. Okay, you know there are loads and loads of websites out there, but they do not hire Ghanaians. But the ones I'm going to give you today, you as a Ghanaian can go on there today, now, and then apply for jobs as a tutor. So do stick with me right through to the end of the video, and I promise you'll find something that will suit you. I'm sending some love your way. Number one is Vipkid. Now this is a website my full-time tutors in Ghana can register on and then earn some extra monies, or they can even be there full-time because they require you to have 1 year experience with kids, and it also requires you to have a bachelor's degree, but it does not limit you as a Ghanaian to be able to work on Vipkid. What is Vipkid? All right, it's a service that matches English speakers with Chinese students, and you get to tutor them in English. Why is this amazing? It is amazing because you're able to earn between $14 to $20 per hour, which is dependent on when you have your interview. Okay, you cannot just hop on there and start tutoring and making this money. No, you'll have to go through a process. It's a process that you'll have to go through, and when you go through that process, then you start tutoring and making that money. They have a curriculum provided for you already. You do not need to stress to create your own lesson plans. All right, this is a curriculum already sorted out that you will be following to be tutoring kids. Okay, and you are paid every 2 weeks. Guys, is this not amazing? So if you're a full-time teacher, you have a bachelor's degree, not even in education, you can apply. Okay, the bachelor's degree is not only education. If you have a bachelor's degree in anything at all and you have a year experience with kids, this is for you. Do not get lazy on this. Hop onto vipkid.com and start the application process now. So coming in at number 2 is Bibo Global. Now this Bibo Global, I spoke at length on Bibo Global in my previous video. Okay, so you might want to check it out if you will be interested in applying to Bibo Global. So Bibo Global is a Japanese owned online school, okay, that offers English conversation classes to Japanese, Taiwanese, Koreans, Italians, and countries that do not have or speak English as their major language. It's a global company, okay, that teaches in more than 70 countries worldwide, which makes you, a Ghanaian, qualified to be a Bibo Global tutor. Okay, so there are some benefits you get to enjoy when you become a Bible Global tutor. Number one is flexible schedules. You get to choose your own working hours, okay? And you can work as much as you want or as little as you want. So if you're looking to making this a full-time job, then you can work as many as you want in a day. You can get over 3 lessons in a day. And if you want to make it a part-time too, come on, it's allowed. Hop onto Bible Global and start the registration process. Number two benefit is stress-free lessons. Guys, they have already prepared lessons for you. How amazing is this? They have an already planned lessons for you. So you don't need to stress to making your own lessons, okay? And there is 24 hours support in case you are facing any challenges. There is a 24-hour support, and support will come in right away to help you. Number three is you get to work from home. I mean, the traffic in Accra is that bad, okay? And if you get opportunity to be working from home, why won't you grab it? It saves you the stress and you get to work in the comfort of your home. Number four benefit is you get to connect with the world. Imagine you being in Ghana and tutoring a student in Italy. How awesome is this? It is so awesome. You get to have students across the globe. So now let's take a quick look at the requirement. Don't be scared because I mentioned the requirements. You do not need a bachelor's degree to be a tutor on Bible Global. You just have to be at least 18 years old. You should have a desktop or a laptop. You should have a headset, and your laptop or desktop should have a webcam because you will be communicating with people and they need to see you. You need to see them, okay? So a desktop or laptop that has a webcam, you should have a headset and high internet speed and high speed internet connection. All right, so if wherever your setting is you do not have strong internet connection, you can move to a place that has strong internet connection. You can go to a cafeteria, a library, to the mall, where you're gonna have the serenity to be able to deliver the service that you have been paid to deliver. That is very important. They will check your internet connection. Bible Global, I have tried working with them before, some 2 years back, and the internet connection is a big deal for them, so take note. Number three is Prepley. Okay, Prepley is a leading online language platform that allows you make a living without having to leave home. But with Prepley, you get to tutor students in over 180 countries, and you set your own charges, okay? But averagely, tutors on Prepley charge between $15 and $20 hourly. But hey, you might want to slow down on that because you're new and you don't have any reviews. So you will want to gain a foothold in the market first. You would want to attract the students first with low charges, and later on increase your charges to how much other tutors are taking. On Prepley, you do not need any specialized qualification or experience to be able to become a tutor on Prepley. They welcome tutors who enjoy sharing knowledge and making a difference in student lives. Also, tutors who have outstanding communication skills are welcomed on Prepley. Also, Also, they welcome tutors who are willing to provide personalized they welcome tutors who are willing to provide personalized learning experience to international students. And on Prepley, there are over 100 subjects that you can choose from. So guys, the last one I'll be talking about for today is Italki. Italki is just like the website I have mentioned earlier on in today's video, okay? It's an online English learning platform that connects English learners to teachers via video calls. This site allows students to find teachers that will tutor them on one-on-one basis, and also it allows teachers earn some money. With that being said, on this site it is only professional teachers that are allowed to teach on this site. On Italki, you get to become a professional teacher or a community teacher. It requires you to upload your teacher certificates, okay? It also requires you to upload an introduction video. And in this introduction video is where you get to show off your teaching style to potential students. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video so very much, and I have a lot more yet to upload, okay? So do hit the bell notification so you do not miss out when I upload these videos. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up because it's free and it serves as a motivation to me, okay? It tells me that you're liking the content that I am making, and I'll keep bringing you these content.